What's up? So today we put up Comedy Decker Dick and Pill tiles on the wall. Wish me luck with this one. But the front part's gonna be these. I'm putting a fireplace in it. Down low, down here in the middle. I'm gonna put an electric fireplace and I'm gonna wrap it up real strong. The wall's gonna be sticky pill. Hey, that's what the customer want. That's what we go get a customer and we still gonna make it look right. Like, keep things on the budget. Still make things look nice. You know what it is. Can't stop, won't stop. On the journey.
Center in the wall. From side to side, it gives me my center point. So if the wall is 80 inches, the middle is 40. That's your center. Once you get it centered, you gotta draw your box out, the opening that you want for your fireplace. Snap lines, get even, use levels, use two people to make sure it's right. And once you do that, you got your layout for your fireplace. It's not that hard. So right here, I'm cutting out a slot so I can see the plumbing. I do not want to hit the plumbing. Over here to the left, we're putting up the sticky tiles as we're doing the layout also. I'm using 3M spray. You spray the adhesive on the tile, and you spray the adhesive on the wall. You let it sit for 2 or 3 seconds, and you stick the tile back on the wall, and it sticks like magic. See I'm to the left right there? You hit the wall, you hit the tile. Now if you notice what I'm doing, I'm putting studs to the metal brackets. I'm using fasteners that's wood to metal. See? Then I'm putting liquid nails on the back also. So it's pretty much secured twice. Liquid nails, simple. Liquid nails, the right fasteners, you good to go. I gotta put up 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing this so I can secure the actual fireplace unit I'm building to this nice and secure. That way I know it's secure, won't pull off the wall, won't fall. So I'm basically jumping back and forth building the fireplace, and we also putting the sticky tiles on the wall. So, see, I said it wrong, I got 5. I'm also putting liquid nails at the top. So we're using liquid nails and we're using fasteners for the whole unit. Voila, that's the top plate. I build mine stick by stick. Some people will build the whole unit, put it up there. But this particular way for me works fine. I move just as fast. Whatever works for you, you gotta do it. This way it works for me. As long as it's level, as long as it's straight, you know you're always good to go. The customer happy, we happy. So, I got the level up there before I get too far. So if it is off, I can adjust. I'm using a Bosch cordless framer. Also, if you notice, I'm using a framer for my inside studs. That way I don't have to screw those particularly in. You just gotta screw your main ones to the actual studs that's inside the wall. Again, you see he's spraying the tiles. Now we're installing backer board. This is cement board. This is for ceramic tile. Ceramic tile goes on top of that. In this case, we're using brick, stone brick, natural stone, white. First, you gotta put backer board up usually. Some people just put it on drywall. I like using backer board. Do it the right way. Use backer board screws to install the backer board. In some cases, you can use adhesive also. In this case, it's just a decorative wall. You don't have to really have adhesive for the actual backer board. Put the proper amount of screws in it, screw it off nice and tight, hit every seam, piggyback your screws. Piggyback means side 1 by 1. And always check with a level, always. Always constantly use your level, that way you won't get off. What I'm doing right here is I'm actually measuring my fireplace. The insert, this is the electric fireplace insert. I'm measuring it, making sure that the opening we did is pretty right. And it's right. You know it's right. So now we putting adhesive on the wall. That's mortar. The wall, make sure you always put the mortar on the stone and wall, and then it'll stick a lot better. So from there, we work our way to the top. We got our board at the bottom, hold it up so it don't collapse. And right now it's time to have some fun because we're getting almost done, and always have fun when you work, always. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. grab that level, and let's get back to work. Guess who pops in? The office assistant, my mama. She running. Why you running? Don't run. She said, I gotta go. Yeah, she out of there. Love you, mama. Put the face on, snapped his face on, finish the top stone up. We in the level it 100 times, so we know we pretty much level. This took approximately 6.5 to 7 hours. It's a team of 3. You gotta work consistently at it, you gotta work hard at it, you gotta have some fun, and you gotta make it work. And guess who pops in after it's all done and said? The owner of the salon, Theresa Mosley. Congratulations on your new business and venture. I hope you love it. She actually said yeah when I asked her, did she love it? She took the mask off, she smiled, it makes me smile. She said, yeah, guys, she likes it. It made her smile, that's what it's all about. So here's a shot of it.